Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Toyota Sienna LE. This is an 8-passenger minivan in celestial silver, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5 liter V6 driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features we have on this Sienna includes roof rails, automatic power sliding doors, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our power sliding door buttons. Press the unlock button for the driver's side. And we're going to take a look in the front first. On the side view mirror, you do have heated mirrors. Up top here, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. On the bottom, you have some storage space that runs along the entire side. And this Sienna does come equipped with all-weather mats and light gray cloth seating. And on the bottom, you will find your power seating adjustment buttons. Starting it up, we got our key here. Ooh. Taking a look on the left side of the steering wheel, we have these arrows here, and this will help you cycle through any audio that's playing. You also have your volume buttons, voice recognition system, and your hands-free calling. On the right side, you have this cluster here, and this will help you cycle through your multi-information display. Underneath that, you'll find your Toyota safety sense buttons with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control, and your speed settings for your cruise control are right behind the wheel there. If we move on to our screen, on the left side, it'll display any device that's connected, your trip information, and on the right side, you have your audio. We can also view the trip information by pressing that, and you can view your history as well. Going into audio, on the left side here, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, and a Bluetooth device. If we go into reverse, you get a nice backup camera with this Sienna as well. Underneath that is your climate control system. Here you have your driver, passenger, and your climate control dial for those rear passengers. If we move underneath, this is where you'll find your driver and passenger heated seats, your USB and auxiliary, and your 12-volt outlet. We can press that button and you got 2 cup holders that slide right out. We have a little shelf here for some storage, as well as on the bottom, 2 cup holders, and we can open the center console by pressing the button, which features plenty of space. To open up the back, it's as easy as holding that left button on our key fob. If we take a look inside here, you can see we are continuing with the light gray cloth seating. And these seats do fold down. All we got to do is pull this handle upwards. The seats will kind of fold in. You can just slide them forward, and that gives you access to your third row seating. To open up the back, we got a button right underneath here. Just give that a press, and that liftgate opens nice and easy. You can see with the third row seating, you still have plenty of storage space behind the seats here. We can fold them down. All we got to do is just pull on this handle and they go right in place. Like I mentioned, the second row seating does fold down as well, and that'll give you that extra bit of room. We have cup holders on both sides for those third row passengers. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna. Once again, some of those great interior features includes your 8-passenger capacity seating, tri-zone climate control system, and driver and passenger heated seats. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.